Common VM performance issues and fixes. Virtual machines offer great flexibility for running multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. However, performance issues can arise when VMs are not properly configured or optimized. A slow VM can lead to reduced productivity, system crashes, and inefficient resource utilization. VM running slowly or lagging. One of the most common issues is VM sluggishness, often caused by insufficient CPU, RAM, or disk resources. To fix this, increase CPU and RAM allocation based on workload, disable unnecessary startup applications inside the VM, switch to an SSD for better disk performance, and enable nested paging or hardware virtualization settings in the hypervisor. High CPU usage on the host machine. If the host experiences high CPU usage, it may struggle to run both the VM and other applications. Reducing the number of virtual CPUs, enabling CPU resource limits, and monitoring system performance can help prevent excessive CPU load. High RAM usage and memory overcommitment. Overcommitting RAM to VMs can slow down both the VM and host system. To fix this, allocate only the necessary amount of RAM, enable memory ballooning or dynamic memory allocation, and close unnecessary applications running inside the VM. Slow boot times for virtual machines. Long VM boot times can impact workflow efficiency. To optimize boot speed, disable unnecessary startup programs, use SSD storage instead of HDD, and defragment the virtual disk if using a fixed-size disk format. Network connectivity issues in VMs. VMs may experience slow internet speeds or disconnections. Configuring network adapters properly, selecting the right networking mode, and adjusting firewall settings can help improve network performance. VM disk usage is too high. A VM's disk performance directly affects system responsiveness. Using fixed-size disks instead of dynamically allocated ones, freeing up host storage, and deleting old snapshots can prevent disk slowdowns. VM freezing or crashing frequently. Frequent crashes can indicate hardware or configuration issues. Ensuring that hardware virtualization is enabled, allocating resources within recommended limits, and performing disk integrity checks can improve stability. USB and shared folder issues in virtual machines. If USB devices or shared folders are not detected, installing guest editions or VMware tools, enabling USB controllers and settings, and adjusting folder permissions can resolve these problems. Final thoughts: optimizing VM performance. Ensuring optimal VM performance requires careful resource allocation, hardware optimization, and regular maintenance. By addressing common issues such as slow speed, high CPU memory usage, network problems, and disk bottlenecks, you can improve the efficiency and stability of your virtual machines. Regularly updating virtualization software, using SSDs, optimizing CPU RAM allocation, and configuring proper network settings can prevent most VM performance problems. Whether you are using VirtualBox, VMware, or Hyper-V, following these best practices will ensure that your virtual machines run smoothly and efficiently. In the next lesson, we will explore advanced VM tuning techniques, including performance monitoring, automated resource scaling, and cloud-based VM optimization strategies.